In this section, teams will be asked questions alternately and will have 10 seconds to answer. Each correct answer is worth 1 point. Earlier, we had the toss and St. John the Baptist Prep won and decided to go first. This section lasts for 4 minutes, and with that time on the clock, we begin with St. John the Baptist Prep and Bible knowledge. What was the food of John the Baptist as stated in the New Testament?
Locusts.
And wild honey.
Correct. Jericho, what was the clothing of John the Baptist as outlined in the New Testament?
A robe.
Robe.
Incorrect, camel's hair. Local affairs, it's a visual. St. John the Baptist, look at the monitor and identify this person.
Andrew Smith.
Andrew Smith.
Incorrect, it's Abka Fitzhenley, government senator. Jericho, look at the monitor and identify this person.
Marsha Smith.
Marsha Smith.
Incorrect, it's Gabriella Morris, opposition senator. Science, St. John, in what metric unit is frequency measured?
Hertz.
Correct. Jericho, in what metric unit is the intensity of sound measured?
Decibels.
Correct. Music, it's a visual. St. John the Baptist, look at the monitor and identify this singer.
Nina Simone.
Incorrect, it's Rhoda Isabella. Jericho, look at the monitor and identify this singer.
Christopher Martin.
That's right. English language, St. John the Baptist, spell possessive.
Possessive.
Incorrect, it's Possessive. Jericho, spell prohibited.
Prohibithed.
Incorrect, it's Prohibited. Sports, it's a visual. St. John the Baptist, look at the monitor and identify this person.
Martin.
Anthony Davis.
Incorrect, it's Daniil Medvedev. He is a professional tennis player. Sports, it's a visual. Jericho, look at the monitor and identify this person.
Nathaniel Baker.
Incorrect, it's Francis Tiafo, professional tennis player. General knowledge, St. John the Baptist, Islamabad is the capital of which country?
Pakistan.
That's right. General knowledge, Jericho, Hanoi is the capital of which country?
Hanoi. Bolivia.
Incorrect, Vietnam. Social studies, St. John the Baptist. What is the name of the type of map that shows the borders of the 14 parishes of Jamaica?
Political map.
That's right. Jericho, what is the name for the type of map that shows the physical features such as rivers, valleys, and mountains?
Relief map.
That's correct. Music, St. John the Baptist. Which Jamaican singer recorded the single Not an Easy Road?
Jimmy Cliff.
Incorrect, Buju Banton. Jericho, which Jamaican singer recorded the single Best of Me?
Beanie Man.
Incorrect, it's Romain Virgo. Mathematics, St. John the Baptist. What is 43,459 rounded to the nearest 10,000?
50,000.
Incorrect, 40,000. Jericho, what is 42,539 rounded to the nearest 1,000?
43,000.
That's right. That's the end of section 1. The scores are St. John the Baptist Prep on 4 and Jericho Primary on 4. We go to the break with a friendly tip from Guardian Achiever. Don't be afraid to speak up. Answering your teacher's questions will help you to retain what you're learning and to identify areas you need to spend more time on. Stay with us. Season 20 of TVJ's Junior Schools Challenge quiz returns after these messages.